What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will see some of the basic stuff that are used in the Streamlit. Okay, let's quickly create our virtual environment and try to run our Streamlit program through CMD. Okay, now open your favorite editor. Okay, this is our previous code where we have stopped. So let's run this by saying streamlit run main.py, and this will automatically opens the output in the default browser. Now we will see the widget called spinner. Basically this spinner widget is like the loading animation. Okay, so we have to set a time delay for this while calling this st.spinner. Okay, so for this I will write a with st.spinner, and inside the brackets we decide the spinner name, and we have set the time sleep to 5 seconds. So this animation will be seen there for 5 seconds and automatically it will disappear. Okay, time.sleep of 5. Now we will see the types of messages that we can use in Streamlit. First one is the error message, st.error, and inside the brackets write whatever message you have to display. Okay, let's refresh this page, and after this completed it will show like loaded unsuccessful with a reddish color. Okay, so the next message is the success message. So the syntax for all these messages are same, just type st dot that widget, and inside the brackets whatever the text you want to display, just pass that. Okay, so the next thing is the warning. So you can see the syntax is very simple. So with this simple syntax we can generate very good outputs. So here we see error, success, and warning. Let's comment this what we are using. Okay, now the last one is the info. So st.info, so we pass the information we have inside the brackets. Let's refresh this page, and this is how information bar looks like. Okay, so yep, so this is the information bar, and now I will show you some coolest widget in Streamlit, that is st.balloons. Just type st.balloons and run this program. After running that line it will show this very good animation like balloons flowing out. Okay, now this is the balloon animation. Now how to write our HTML code in our Streamlit. For this we have many methods. Here I am using streamlit dot components dot v1. Okay, so I am using this, I am importing it as components, streamlit dot components dot v1 as components. Now inside this components we have a HTML module. So inside this HTML module just write the HTML code there. So here I am creating the HTML code by opening the HTML tag, body tag, and closing the body tag and HTML tag, and between the body tag so I am writing whatever I need in to display on the output. Okay, so here note is that we cannot access the styles in this thing. Okay, now in my upcoming tutorial, so this is the output. In my upcoming tutorial I will see how to access CSS styles also. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.